Hello everyone, it's Dana here from Home Cooking with Dana. Today I am going to share a creamy garlic chicken recipe with you guys. With a rich and velvety sauce infused with the aromatic of garlic, this recipe is sure to become your family favorite. So let's get started.
Here are the ingredients to make this ultimate easy comfort food. You only need few ingredients and you likely already have most of them on hand. Let's start by seasoning our chicken thighs with salt and pepper. Rub them on both sides and this will add flavor to our chicken thighs. You can also use chicken breast over here. Next, heat the oil in a large pan on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add chicken thighs and let it cook about 10 minutes on one side or until they are golden brown. Try not to disturb the chicken thighs because that helps to give us the golden color. Flip them around and let the other side cook about the same. Remove the sealed chicken from the pan. Add some butter into the same pan. Once the butter is melted, add chopped garlic. Let it saute for about a minute. Then add finely chopped onion and let this become golden color as well. Add a pinch of salt for seasoning. Next, we are going to add thyme and turmeric powder. The turmeric powder will help to enhance the flavors while giving that beautiful vibrant color. Next, I am going to use coconut milk. The beauty of using coconut milk is that this is a pantry staple that comes in handy at any time. This is also a great recipe if you are dairy free. Of course, you have to replace butter with oil. Drop the chicken back to the sauce. Let the chicken cook and thicken the sauce. So let's talk about the sides. The sides for this chicken recipe are endless. You can use mashed potatoes, pasta, sauteed or steamed vegetables, polenta, or even rice. Leave a comment about your favorite side dish with creamy garlic chicken. So once the chicken is cooked and our sauce is smooth and creamy, remove the pan from the heat. Our chicken is ready now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time.